Okay, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Mew Coder. I am Mew Coder. So, from today, what I had, I'm thinking that from today we should start a live session. So, in this live session, what we will do, we will create a tutorial, means a example, a tutorial with the example code which we can use directly in our website. So, if you are searching for any functionality to add in your website, then this can help you very much. So let's start. So first we will start our notepad plus plus. Here is our notepad plus plus. So basically in I had created one uh, before this. I had created one live stream also, but in that live stream there was very there was having some issues, so I had deleted that live stream video. And now I will so that's why this code is already written, you can say. So from start I will write. Okay. Okay, as I already told you that to to learn JavaScript you must have a basic knowledge of HTML. So this is HTML structure. So here we had okay, let's start. So first as and we in this video, in this tutorial, we are creating a simple button, on click button using JavaScript code. So what is on click? On click means whenever you click on that button, our function will execute, and you can add anything in your function. For example, you can write a code for some output, or some, for example, if you click on button, then some other page will open like this. So for that we have to first create our button. So code for this is div class and mu coder. You can write you can give any name to your class, and we will add one h1 tag here. H1, that is, click here to see the result. Okay, h1 close. Now okay, now we will write a code for button. So if you are familiar with HTML, you must know what is the code to write, what is the code for button. So if you don't know, then please follow. Here button, then the type of button is button, and event we are using here on click. Means whenever you click on this button, then execute this function. Say we will name our function as say hello. This is the name of our function, and close it. So we had to give some text in our button, as you had seen. If you are every button has some text in it. For example, login, sign up, start, end, log out. So whatever text you will write here will here sorry here will be displayed on the button. So if I write click me if you want to see magic. Okay, so close the button tag. Okay, so now if you see the output of this code in okay, I will start my Chrome browser so that we can see the output of this code. So if you see the output of this code, you will see a button here. As we had not added any CSS, that's why the default button design is showing here. So if I click, nothing will happen. Why? Because we had not initiated this function, as we had not write anything for this function. So for that function we had to start a script section, script script section, close this script section. Okay, now you had to write our function. So what is to write the function? We have to write function, then function name. What is our function name? Say hello. This is our function name. Now to what we are going to execute in this function, we have to write this in the curly braces. Okay, what we are going to do, we will show output, that is print function. So document in JavaScript for print or for simple text output, we have to use this command, document.write, and in open bracket, and hey guys, I am new coder, and close. Okay, now save it. Now see, if you refresh this code, if you click on this button, okay, now this button is working. So whenever you click on this button, you will say this. Okay. Okay, see, when you click on this button, then this message is displaying. Why? Because we had write a event, that is OnClick event, and that OnClick event we are passing a function that is say hello, and in this function we are using a command that is document.write, and this command, whenever we execute this command, then this command displays the text which is in this bracket. Okay, so if you can also add a CSS to your buttons, for that you have to write a CSS code. As we are using class, oh, some mistake, as we are using class, we have to use dot. If we are using ID, we have to use hash, but we are using class, so we will write dot. Our class name is mu coder. Here you can see our class name. You have to write that class name here, and curly bracket. Now you can write your CSS code here. For example, color colon dark semicolon margin 20px 20px semicolon. If you run this code, now see the difference. Okay, there is some issue. Oh, sorry, we had not write this code in this style section. Okay, now save this and see here you can see the padding to our button, and you can give style to your button also. If you write like button and semicolon and color red, save. See, the color of text is changed. If you want to change the background color, then write BACKGRO and background colon black. So now see. Okay, so here we are completed with our first tutorial, that is for our live session. In this live session, what we learn how to create a simple on-click button using JavaScript, and where to write your JavaScript, and how to create a function, how to give its name, and how to add CSS to your div class or div id or to a button. So I think you had okay, if you have any issue in this, you can ask me in comment. And one more thing, for example, you might have your website, your own website, and maybe you are hiring some developer to do some changes in it. So what I will do, if you have any issue in your website, particularly in WordPress, or if you want to add any functionality in your website, then you can comment below and I will do it for free. So thank you. No, not free, you have to subscribe my channel, then I will do it for free. So thank you for watching my video, and once again please subscribe to my channel, and bye bye.